Okay, so since we're all kind of stuck inside with the coronavirus, and and we still have to feed our family and everything, so I wanted to show how quick it is to use the Tupperware Mandolin to cut up some potatoes. I'm going to make some Hamburger Hash. So this is the mandolin, and you can fold it up and store it in a little small area. And this is, well, we like to call this the hat, but this is the piece that protects your hand from getting cut, because the blade in the mandolin's really sharp, and it also has other sharp pieces. So if you take this knob and you turn it, you can go from your size of thickness. So you can go from a 0 to a 9. And for this dish, I'll need it to be like a 7. And then this is in the lock position. Okay, so this will make slices. But what I want is little tiny squares. So I'm going to put this in the 6 or in the 9. In this case, the 9. And these are very sharp blades. So I took my potatoes and I pre-washed them already, and I used a Norwex vegetable cloth and got rid of all of the dirt and bacteria and everything else that you have on the surface of the potato, because we're going to use the skins. And then you can just let's take a bigger potato first, and you could take this and you go like that, and what that's doing is holding your potato still so you can cut this. So this gets pretty fast. So I want to go down once, then turn it and go back. Go down, turn, go back. Down, turn. That's all you do. I'm going slow so that you can see how it works, but you can do this pretty fast. Sometimes I turn wrong up here too. It's just going to give me another size potato in there. It's not a big deal. And this is all you have left. And I take this little piece and I cut it up so I don't waste anything. And so the ones I didn't turn, as you see, gave me little fries. The ones I turned gave me the little squares. That's all it takes to do that. Because if it's a dope and didn't turn it, it's no big deal. I can cut those. What I do is I start frying up the ones I cut properly. Then I hand cut the ones I didn't while those are fried, and can add it to it. So it's just another step that I had to take because I was being an idiot. That happens. So that's what's nice about this product. You don't have to be thinking about it and be a brainiac. You can be an idiot, make a mistake, and you can still fix it with no problem. Now, on the protective shield, you have these prongs, and no, they're not sharp, they're going to hurt you. And you have these that help hold the food. It's very important not to use the mandolin like this, because you are going to cut yourself. It's very sharp. And even when you clean this, I'll be right back, don't go nowhere. Even when you go to clean this, or if you get food stuck, you can use our tumbler brush. So if you get food stuck, let's say this gets stuck in there like that, you can just take this and put it through, see? And I'm not touching it or hurting myself. And to clean it, it's so easy to just clean it like this under the water, and you know, put some soap on it, cleans it, suds it. Do the same thing in here. Open that. It literally takes like a minute to clean, and then you just let it air dry, and that's all it takes.